So what I've gone and done is added the MP3 player over here. It uses a micro SD card. So there's 3 MP files that you add to it. As always, the code is in a pinned comment. So now we got sound.
Welcome to visit. Have a safe journey.
So I hope you can hear that. I'll have a look in the audio when I edit the video. That's quite nice.
Welcome to visit.
We now have
a safe journey.
Sound added to our project. Very good. So that's very nice. I think that's pretty much going to conclude the parking garage series. The next video to come up is going to be the pedestrian crossing, with the traffic light and the button that the pedestrian pushes to turn the light green and the strip across the road, so that the pedestrian can safely cross the road. That's going to be the next one we're going to be working on. So I'm going to be tidying this up and working on the next project. So that's it. Quick little update on what we've done here.
Welcome to visit. Have a safe journey.
Very good. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching this. I hope you enjoyed the series. You're learning stuff as we're going along and enjoying the project. And enjoying the kit. It's a lovely kit. So, take care. Have an awesome day further. I'll see you next time for more awesome stuff. Alrighty. Bye.